Hey, good morning, afternoon, or night, whenever it is that you're watching this. So, what we're doing today is we're taking our Unit 1 assessment. Now, I don't want you to freak out about that. I mean, it is a major grade, but at the same time, it's only 14 multiple choice questions. They're really not difficult questions as long as you did all of the work from the last couple weeks, as long as you really paid attention to the Google Slides, as long as you actually went back and looked at them again and studied them. And then obviously, there's the optional study guide that you could do. Lots of ways to prepare for this. And as long as you prepare yourself, it really shouldn't be too difficult. So keep in mind that I'm assigning it today, but really you have the full weekend to do it, right? You've got Friday, you've got Saturday, you've got Sunday, but then first thing Monday morning, I'm going to close the test, okay, which means you're not going to be able to take it at that point. So it's really important that you get it done now, essentially. Just because next week we're starting our next unit. So it's not like I want you to wait forever and ever and ever to take this test if we're going to be moving on to the next thing. I want you to take it now and I want you to do well on it. And then I want us to go on to the next unit, right? That being said, I can show you through these Google Slides that's attached to this assignment what it is that you have to actually do to get to the test. Um, it's really not too complicated, but I'll walk you through it regardless. So if you have ClassLink set up, and most of you, if not all of you, should, you want to actually go to ClassLink first. That's the easiest thing. And if you don't have ClassLink, if it's not working for you, you can just use this link here, and that'll skip you a couple steps. But really, absolutely use ClassLink because it'll auto log you into Eduphoria. So get into ClassLink. You know how to do that. Click on this app here, Eduphoria, and again, it'll take you straight there, and you won't have to do anything else. If you don't have ClassLink, you are going to have to go to this page, which again is through the link on that very first slide right here. It'll take you to this page, and you'll have to actually manually sign in. So you'll need to type in your student ID, your password, and it's got instructions there for what that is. But that being said, as long as you get into Eduphoria, this is what you're going to see, this screen here, and you're going to see a test that's called EMS Social Studies 8th Thinking Like a Historian 2021. That's my test. That's what you need to click. That's what we are going to take. Okay. And then once you get into it, it'll look something like this. And then all you have to do is actually, obviously, answer the questions, right? But once you're finished, click review and submit. And that is it. That's all you got to do. If you have oral administration, there is an option in there for you. If you don't know what oral admin is, this doesn't apply to you. But if you do, just keep in mind on your test, you'll see like these different little symbols next to the question and the answer choices. If you click on them, it'll actually read that for you. So that would be your oral admin taken care of. And then same thing, as soon as you're finished, just review and submit. Okay? It is as simple as that. So whenever you're finished, just make sure you're clicking mark as done so that I know you're finished. And that's pretty much it. You are done for me, done until Monday next week, when, like I said, we're going to get into our first historical unit, if you want to say that, where we're actually looking back at colonization of the Americas, like the founding of this country, if you will. So yeah, look forward to that. And let me know if you have any questions or problems accessing the test, and I will help you out. So have a good one.